Hey guys, we received this microfiber clothes for test and try. It's from Better Boat. 12 pack microfiber cloth kit, lint-free cleaning, towels for cars, boats and home. So thick large microfiber cleaning clothes in bulk set. So 12. So total 4 colors with a 3-piece each. So let me just open this up. So they are around 16 by 16 inches and very nice plush clothes. As you can see, the quality ultra absorbent and the lint free. So there is no lint here, so that is good. And then is nice cloth with the thick fibers. So they are like the silk finished edges, so which prevent scratches and also like easy to clean, like say the glass, the delicate things. And then it's pretty nice and overall good cleaning clothes. Colors are also very nice, like the vibrant colors, and overall quality is good with the stitching and stuff and the material itself or the microfiber clothes. Overall very nice microfiber sets.